missed you. How you been? Sweet. Day 3. I'm excited. And yeah, let's do it. There's more parts in the bin than there was yesterday. Now that we have the radiator out, I'd like to finish getting the rest of the AC components out. And that has freed up a lot of space. We can start getting in there and cleaning and start inspecting more wires and seeing if we do need to replace the harness. So that is day 3's goal. These cars are like messes of wires and vacuum hoses. Just look at the rat's nests of stuff. There's like this thing flopping around. This thing just kind of sits there. This is just loose. That's why it's like that. But anyways, we're digging in here trying to get pieces of that AC bracket. Don't have wrenches that can get this off right now, so we're gonna take a break. Scree! This is Gigi Styles. He's 9. He's a Pyrenees Husky mix. Very beautiful, very calm, loving dog. He used to be a maniac when he was younger. He locked himself in my bathroom and completely destroyed the entire bathroom. It was my fault, but he likes to do this thing where he'll go around the perimeter and then shut the door behind him and then lock himself in. So it took me a while to learn that, but he's a great puppy. Today we have some what is this? Orange beef and a spring roll from China One. Hope your day's going well. And if not, life is made of the little hells. Pretty good. Only took us 3 days to bust out the cutoff wheel. Compressor was already removed long before I bought this car. Thanks for joining us on day 3. We removed the AC compressor. That's pretty much what we did. And tomorrow we're going to be cleaning out the engine bay and inspecting the wire situation some more. I wanted to thank you for watching this video, and please check back tomorrow for day 4. Subscribe so you get the notification on that. And if you have any comments or want to see me do something cool, let me know. All right, have a good day.